Hello Panda Nation, this is the Panda Photographer. Welcome to the YouTube channel. I really like you to subscribe, like, and share. If you guys want to support the channel financially, there's a PayPal and other links down below which you can help this channel grow. But if you're a photographer, does landscape, astrophotography, or long exposures, I did this video back in March or April, early April, where I demonstrated a hack for the Pixel TW283 remote shutter release control. Now, some photographers are not understanding that the receiver is multifunctional. What do you mean by that, Panda? Well, basically, I can use this device on a number of different cameras. It doesn't have to be Sony. Originally, I purchased this for Sony. But the hack is just as simple as buying a cable. So as you can see, I got the Canon 80D and I have the shutter remote cable right here, if it can focus. So with that said, I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how this works, and I'm going to make some transparency so you guys have a great understanding how the wireless remote shutter works. I gotta set the channel up again, and we are going to set the channel to 15. That's what we're going to put it on, because this one is set to 15. And listen carefully. So now you heard it worked. I'm going to show you that it's working from the Sony camera, as you can see. Now let's pop in the cable for the Canon, which is plugged up right here. As you can see, I'm going to plug it up just like so. Let me just move this over a little bit and watch the Canon camera. Oops, because I got it on video. Oops. Okay, now we can get it. As you can see, take the picture. Take the picture again. Take the picture again. So the hack works. All you have to do is buy the cable for your camera if you do not want to spend the extra penny for another set of the Pixel TW283. Now, take this video with a grain of salt. I am not sponsored by Pixel, and I'm pretty sure Pixel is many branded names under the same device. But with that said, if you guys find this very helpful, and as a landscape photographer, astrophotographer, long exposure, night photographer, if you find this very useful and you're thinking about buying one of these Pixel TW283s, all you have to do is buy one remote receiver and then buy the cables. I will link the links to the cables down in the descriptions below. With that said, eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. And I will see you guys in the next video. You guys take care of yourselves. Happy shooting.